What is your economic outlook for the first quarter and the rest of the 2026?
Okay, I think for 2026, we're currently looking at around 5.3%. Uh, we are hopeful that we'll probably be back to over 5% in the first quarter. Again, this is something that's quite hopeful. Hopefully, that the government will eventually bring back the spending that is much needed to be able to uh, restart the economy. But again, you can lead the horse to the water, but you can't force it to drink. So, what we're expecting probably the BSP to cut policy rates. We're seeing the government doing all the necessary intervention, but the problem is it's really all about the trust issues. But once these trust issues are there, definitely we could see something better. What are those signs? If we get to see public private investments, private companies, especially those that are listed, being able to do infrastructure projects, then that is a show of confidence in the Philippine economy. And that's what we need to look for in the first quarter of 2026.